So, at this time last year, I was in a position where I did not know anything. I was having my completion of my um, post graduation. I was doing tuitions and I did not know like what I will be doing in my career. I only had the zeal to help people. I only had the zeal through which I would be knowing that I can just heal people, I can just do good. So yeah, as I was just got a notification, no worries. So, and for this notification I'm grateful. Why I'm saying you, because I was not knowing what I will be doing in my life. Of course I knew that I would be doing something, but I did not have a backup. I did not know like anything about the industry where I'm currently at. I just knew that if God has given planted a seed of helping me and I want it, right? So there would be certain things like, and why am I saying it? Because you will be having negative thoughts as well. So do you think that, okay, so negative thoughts are also what you like, people will tell you in manifestation that negative thoughts, don't think negative, because if you, even if you tell that God, I don't want this, God will just listen that what you don't want, and God will give. No, God is not this much bhondu. God is very good. If God is giving, there is something called God, and there is also called your procrastination, your thought process. So when those thoughts are coming, don't what I say is, because don't absorb it, just observe it and just let it go. Just tell, you are a thought, I have a very beautiful life. Just I heal you from all my things, but I have a life. And that particular thought, negative thought, also will be like, oh, she's so positive, and they will not get fearful. They will think, okay, that means she has a life to live. I will not come to her. Why am I saying it? Because I know I'm getting off the track, but yeah, bear with me. We are friends over here. So basically, I did not know last year what I would be like. I was having a lot of negative thoughts as well. But did that negative thoughts come true? No. Because that inner voice of me living the life where I want to not only help myself but help surround others who wants to get helped, and also others who are surrounded by me, because I wanted to help them. I did not know how will I do it, but I just did it. So this is your sign. This video is going to be very short, bestie. But why am I saying it? That I am a living proof of it, and I want you, like, even if you are seeing 1% or 5%. I don't know about the algorithm, but I know that someday YouTube will literally know that this woman, this girl, is giving good things to the world, and good people only will I will be attracting. So if you are seeing it, you are a very good person. You have a purpose in your life. Don't feel anything. I'm not scolding you. Just have to follow your path. Everything will align. Everything will align. I promise you. So hi, I'm Samragi. The fact that I'm shooting is for a reason. I just got a very good, thing of shooting right now, and I'm feeling. I actually feel, quite. Whenever I will feel, I will come to remind you, and this is also a reminder to me. So basically, you need to understand that you don't have to be like systematic, perfect. Of course, you have to be, but you do not also have to be. You have to listen to your inner voice as well. So that doesn't mean that you will be just quitting the job. That doesn't mean that you will not just feel like in this manner, that when you are doing it, you do with proper consent, and it should also serve you. But after that, you should also feel you have a particular life to lead, right? You have a particular life to lead. If you are pouring into yourself, you will be able to pour into others as well. I think that I am always this much positive. I show my one of my like avatar to you. We have various avatar. If you have seen a movie called Aparijit, so that movie is meant for us as well. Like, everybody has that good version, bad version. And also, talking about good bad, do we think that like good is good, bad is bad? No. You need to understand that everything is operating from your brain is actually God. So if God gives you a positive thought, that is God. And if God gives you a negative thought, that is not God. That is something called your experience, your past experience, which you have seen. But their life and your life is different. So just take the positive things which makes you feel happy, because God is happy. God is gold. God is everything. In this book, this is the book, The Science of Getting Great and Rich. It's not rich means like only monetary rich. Of course, money is nothing devil. Money is not devil. Money is a source of energy through which we can, like, get everything abundance which we want, happiness. So here in this line, if you will be going, if you buy this book, I will be link it down for you. So in this book, like in page number 50, it says, if it is God who wants to play, so God wants all these things because it himself enjoys that. That means, like, it is God who wants to play the piano. It is God who wants to play and sing and enjoy beauty and proclaim truth and wear fine clothes and eat good foods through you. Okay. So this is the line which I have underlined. I have just told you shortly. So you have to understand, like, if you want to enjoy, it's good to enjoy. So in this chapter, we will be talking about thoughts, right? Thoughts, a lot of the things which will come to my mind, I will be telling. You can note it down, or like, if you follow this channel, then you will understand that this channel will not only be, you don't. I am not telling you to be perfect. That is the utmost reason of, like, in your 50s also you can get a thought of like drawing something, or like creating something of your own. So you have to realize that, like, with you, even I am practicing this thing, because now only I was getting a negative thought. So then I thought that this is not, I have gotten a lot of negative thoughts, but did it come true? No. So it's basically is one of the experience of the past, not my experience but somebody else experience. I saw it, and they're also human, so I thought that it will happen to me also, but no. You have to realize that if your inner voice is telling to, no, I want to live happily, that is God telling. Just remind yourself that is God. Like these books which I love, and it doesn't mean that everything I have to take. I take the good things from this book, and that will come to the next video. Or last year I bought this year I bought this, and I'm planning to buy another. I believe I will be buying another one later, but these books I have almost started reading, so I will give you a context of self growth books which you should be trying in the upcoming videos. For now, just, if you're watching at night, have your dinner nicely. Daytime, do your stuffs nicely, but be present. And it's just a reminder that God is great. Always remember God is great. Okay, bye.